everyone. Today we will learn the chapter Water I am Kritik Gaur from Intelligent Kids. Because of some issue, we will not launch here in this vlog and launch it later in another science vlog. Let's begin. Today's goals for the day are: first, we will learn water, then, we will learn forms of water, then, we will learn properties of water, then, uses of water, and finally, water cycle. Okay, let's move forward. Amazing water. Friends, water is a liquid which is essential for one's life. Water is one of the most important substance for us. The pure water is the purest liquid in the world. Okay? Forms of water. Friends, water exists in three forms in nature: as solid in the form of snow or ice, as liquid in the form as water as it is, and gas form in the air as vapor. Friends, when we pour water in an ice tray and keep it in the freezer, it becomes solid ice cubes. When ice cubes are kept in open, it melts and turns into liquid water. When this water is heated, it evaporates and becomes vapor. Thus, ice, water, and vapor are states of water. Let me explain you better. Think, I keep water in a tray. This is the tray. Water. Okay, and I keep this in the freezer. Now, when it comes out, it becomes a ice cube. Then, when I keep that ice cube in the open, it melts and again becomes water. Okay, now when I will keep this water on the gas, that water becomes water vapor. This is evaporation. Okay, and when I again cool it, or I can say condensate it, it again becomes water. Okay, so this is how the water forms changes. Now, we will learn properties of water. Now, friend, simple. Water is transparent. Yes, it is correct. If you will take a water bottle, will it be with the color of blue, white, red, orange? No. So, water is transparent. It is correct. Now, many of you even don't know what is transparent. I am telling it, that transparent is an object from which light can pass. Now, friends, water is colorless. This is also true. Water is odorless. Now, many of you don't know what is odorless. Then, odorless means that it has no smell. The object has no smell. Okay. Now, if you will take a glass and pour water in it, pure water, it will not have any smell. Okay. Now, this is also a fact and a property of water. Pure water is completely pure. Okay. Now, uses of water. Water is an important natural resource. It has several uses. Friends, without water we cannot live, because all living beings need water to live. Plants, animals, and humans use water for various activities such as farming, cooking, bathing, washing, clothes, and cleaning things. Plants also need water to grow and make their food. Now, friends, you all must know that the process in which plants make their food is called photosynthesis, and plants need water in that process. Now, we will learn water cycle. Friends, water can convert from one form to another. The conversion of water from one form to another in a continuous process is called water cycle. The water cycle I missed, don't mind that. The water cycle gave the sun. Here it will come sun. I forgot. The sun gives heat which makes water turn into vapor. This is evaporation. The vapor rises into sky and forms cloud when it meets cool air. I will explain you what happens. Exactly. This is condensation. When the clouds fill with water and become heavy, because of this, it rains, and this is called precipitation. When the rainwater goes back to the water bodies, it is called collection. This was the whole process of water cycle. Now I will explain you. This is the water of ponds, river. You can think anything. Now, what happens? Here is the sun. It gives the heat, and the water goes into sky and becomes water vapor. Now, okay, this is the vapor. Okay. Now it will go high, high, and high in the sky. Okay. Now, when it goes high, the temperature cools. So, because of this cool temperature, this vapor becomes into water droplets. Now, you will think that how the water droplets form clouds. Okay, I'm telling you, friends. You all know that the sky has many gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. So these gases mix with the water vapors and form clouds. Now, friends, these clouds become heavy because many droplets come in this cloud. Like this droplet is coming from here, this here, this here, this here, and it becomes heavy. Now, because of the heaviness, it blasts and it rains, or it can also snowfall. Then, this rain, water, and the snowfalls goes back to their place, like the water goes back to the ponds, like these places, and this is called collection. Okay. Now, friends, many of you don't have this question in book, but it comes in exam that why water cycle is important. Now, friends, I am telling, what do we get from rain? Water. And water is important for our life. You have learned in this vlog before. Okay. Now, what will rain? From what process it will rain? It is called water cycle. So without water cycle, it will not rain, and without rain, we will not get water. So this is the importance of water cycle. Now we will have answers of the previous class, solar system, by Bhavika. What happened? The question was, name any two constellations. So friends, the any two constellations are Ursa Major, the Great Bear, and Orion, the Greek hunter. Now you can write any other constellation also. Now the second question was, what is the other name of Milky Way? So the answer is Akash Ganga. It was a Phillips question. Now the other question was, explain lunar eclipse. So the definition of lunar eclipse is, lunar eclipse is formed when the moon is not visible as the earth casts its shadow on it. The order of these celestial bodies are sun, earth and moon. Okay, these were the answers of the previous session, and now we will have the practice time of this class. Now friends, the practice time is, questions are, water has dash smell. Now the next question is, water is used in cooking, bathing, washing clothes, watering plants and dash. You have to fill this blank. Now it's a true false question. Water is of blue colors. It is true or false? Now friends, the topic for the next class is perimeter. And friends, the thought of the chapter is, this will help you in future, and the final words are, don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done. So friends, now I am ending this video. Let's meet in the next class. Bye from Bhavik Gaur.